The following marking examples illustrate how an operator may choose to mark their underground facilities. Single facility marking. Used to mark a single facility. This can be done in one of two ways. 1. Placing the marks over the approximate center of the facility. 2. Placing the marks over the approximate outside edges of the facility with a line connecting the two horizontal lines in the form of an H to indicate there is only one facility. These examples indicate an operator's 12-inch facility. When facility can be located or toned separately from other facilities of the same type, it is marked as a single facility. Multiple facility marking. Used to mark multiple facilities of the same type, for example electric, where the separation does not allow for a separate tone for each facility, but the number and width of the facilities is known, marks are placed over the approximate center of the facilities and indicate the number and width of the facilities. Example: 4 plastic facilities that are 4 inches in diameter, 4 by 4 inches PLA. Conduit marking. Used for any locatable facility being carried inside conduits or ducts. The marks indicating the outer extremities denote the actual located edges of the facilities being represented. Example: 4 plastic conduits that are 4 inches in diameter, 4 by 4 inch PLA, and the marks are 16 inches apart, indicating the actual left and right edges of the facilities. Corridor marking. Used to mark multiple facilities of the same type, for example electric, bundled or intertwined in the same trench where the total number of facilities is not readily known. Operator has no record on file for the number of facilities. Marks are placed over the approximate center of the facilities and indicate the width of the corridor. The width of the corridor is the distance between the actual located outside edges of the combined facilities. Example: a 12-inch corridor, 12 inches CDR. Changes in direction and lateral connections are clearly indicated at the point where the change in direction or connection occurs, with an arrow indicating the path of the facility. A radius is indicated with marks describing the arc. When providing offset markings, paint or stakes, show the direction of the facility and distance to the facility from the markings. Example: radius. Example: lateral connection. Example: painted offset, off. Example: staked offset, off.